Welcome back to our channel. The intro for today's video, there's a little bit of difference. So now I'm not at any panel workshop. I'm heading to the basement car park. And here it is. This is the car that I will be driving today, and also I'm bringing the car for some modifications. Our GT3 is in at Optima Premium Motors Bandar Sunway, ready for exhaust upgrade, and our car will be the very first 992 GT3 in Malaysia to be equipped with an aftermarket exhaust system. We would like to say thank you to IPE Exhaust for sending us this beautiful titanium catback system for us to install on our GT3 right before Christmas. What we received from IPE is a set of this titanium catback system, which is made out of titanium material. We also optioned for this titanium chrome gold exhaust tips that we think it will fit better on our GT3 because that we have these gold wheels. Here are some small little details, some excellent details by IPE that they have done on their muffler. On the resonator, there is a piece of this titanium plate that is crafted with GT3 on it, on both sides of the resonator. Some fine details that IPE has specially customized for our exhaust. So we have a plate crafted with our company's logo, Gt3 Racing. Then we have this IPE logo and also the car model Porsche 992 GT3. Now that we have removed the stock exhaust, here is the side-by-side comparison between the stock system versus this IPE catback system. The stock muffler, catback muffler, weighs at about 14.6 kilograms, and this IPE catback system weighs at about 6.8 kilograms. With this IPE catback system installed on our GT3, there will be a massive 7.8 kilograms of weight reduction over the heavy stock exhaust. This titanium muffler is extremely lightweight that I can actually lift it up easily with one hand. So here is where we place the stock exhaust valves that transfer from the stock exhaust, and when the valves are open, we will get a direct exhaust flow flowing out from the exhaust, and when these valves are closed, the exhaust flow will go through this resonator before exit from the tailpipes. This is how the stock exhaust looks like on the inside. You can see that there's a lot of blockage inside the stock muffler, and that's why with this stock muffler it filters out a lot of sound on the GT3. Basically, we'll just replace the rear muffler section without replacing the stock headers and catalytic converters. So this part will still remain as original for now. entire installation process is quite simple, so we just take out the stock catback system and replace with this IPE system, and the valves are transferred directly from the stock exhaust, so there's no any modifications needed or any sort of wiring works. First startup of the very first Porsche 992 GT3 with IPE exhaust in Malaysia. And now the car is back at our basement car park, so we'll have a walk around tour on the exterior and also some explanation on the options we have on our GT3. On the exterior, we option for the jet black metallic paint, and because it is a GT car, so definitely we are going to option for this lightweight carbon roof. Then we have the Motorsport and Porsche decals finish off in satin aurum to match with our satin neodyne wheels. For the brakes, we did option for the carbon ceramic brakes, PCCB, and also the calipers to be optionally painted in black color instead of the standard yellow calipers. While for the headlamp and the tail lights, on the front we have PDLS Plus. While the tail light, we have option for the exclusive design clear tail lights on our GT3. So here are the options that we have for our 992 GT3's interior. First of all, we have the Club Sport package, and also this optional carbon fiber full bucket seats. Then the seat belts are finished off in racing yellow color, alongside with the carbon interior options, and also the chrono package with the stopwatch finished in racing yellow, to pair with the tachometer option to be finished in racing yellow as well. We have installed IPE exhaust on the very first Porsche 992 GT3 in Malaysia on our very own GT3. For now, we are just installing the titanium catback system, and very soon we will also upgrade the headers on the car. We would like to say thank you to IPE Exhaust for sending us this beautiful titanium exhaust system. Let us know in the comment sections below what you think about this brand new IPE exhaust. How does it sound on the GT3? And also let us know what you think about the options on our very own 992 GT3. How does it looks like with all these options? Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.